was diagnosed with stage 3B esophageal cancer. Despite the best efforts of her doctors, the pain became unmanageable. A few days before she died, I walked into the kitchen, and she had taken the bottle of liquid morphine that I prescribed to her, and she tried to drink it. We took her to the hospital, and the doctor sat us down and said, there wasn't even enough morphine in that bottle to end her life. She, about a day after that, went into final coma, died 2 days after that. And in reflecting on that, despite my personal hatred for suicide, I began to ask myself what right I had as a government official, and even as her son, to dictate to her how her life should end.
But this option, I fear, is not good for humanity. It would take our state in the wrong direction. And for those reasons, and frankly more, while I respect the intent, my conscience just will not let me vote for this.
After 74 votes